Hello, I am Jerry Varela from Davao City. I'm going to report about the lubrication system in automotive. Lubrication system is composed of parts of units that participate in supplying enough oil to minimize friction between the surface of moving parts of the engine. One of the example parts in the engine using the lubrication system is piston. There are several methods of lubrication system used in gasoline and diesel engine are splash, force fill, manual lubrication. The most important in the lubrication system is the oil pump. This is the hydraulic pump used to circulate the lubrication oil within the lubrication system. There are four types of oil pump in engine: lube, eccentric oil, layer, and electric sliding gear.